Do your conditions feel like this? Desert-like? When you want them to feel like this? Tropical, mountainside, forest-like? Well, I have something for you. The Vornado EVAP40. This nice large unit holds 4 gallons of water, which it can discharge in 24 hours. It humidifies with evaporative technology, which is just basically like a swamp cooler. Draws air over a moist surface. We're going to do a time lapse of a 6-hour run with 3 different sensors. Here are the controls. They're analog. You can adjust the level of humidity and fan speed. I like this because if you leave it on, say, high and a certain level and you want to control it with a humidistat, you can do that. Each of these holds 2 gallons, which is 16 pounds, so this thing gets heavy. You can take it to the sink, fill it up, drop it back in like that. You want to watch that you don't spill when you do this part. A little bit of a learning curve. There's another one on the other side. Four gallons is a lot of water to be pumping into a spot in 24 hours. There's the power head, comes right off the top. And the 2 evaporative pads are right there. I've been using it so they're wet, but they stay nice and saturated all the way to the top. You can pull those out and clean it with a mild bleach solution. Very easy to clean. Here are the 3 Rinkmo min-max humidity and temperature gauges we're going to use. These are the starting conditions over at the 12 feet away, 8 feet 8 inches away, and 56 inches away. Here we go. Humidity just steadily climbs. A 12 percentage point increase is good. The fact that the 2 so far away had the same amount means this thing is powerful. Here's a 20-point rise. With a 20-point rise, you can start to pretty much create some tropical conditions. I keep mine in a tent, and the readings that I get are unbelievable. I'll be sharing that with you with a data logger review. Well, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and like. Take care.